Welcome back to another video. You're watching Phones on with me, Gaishma. And today's video is very special out here as we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S4 out here. Yes, talking about Samsung Galaxy's S4, we can say that this variant was quite popular back then when it was released out, and we can say especially after the launch in the of the S series, we can say S series has become one of the another variant which was quite popular among the audience. Yes, when we talk about the audience, we can say that this was also a very popular brand and a very popular series out here. And when we say series, that it does not mean that only S series was popular. J series and Note series was also popular out here, and especially if we talk about S4 now. Today's video is all about S4. So let us talk about S4 first. Talking about this variant, we can say it was 2013 variant out here. Yes, you get to have 2013 variant out there, as well as you get to have that this variant was released out back then in early 2013, but was very popular back then in 2014 out there. And when we talk about this variant, why we say that 2014 it was popular, because when it was launched out, after that there were a lot of S series out there, but this was one of the variant which was very audience friendly and audience popular out here. So this was also a reason why this was very famous and very popular among the audience. Now let us talk about why this variant was very popular. One reason was the weight of this variant. Yes, if we talk about the weight of this variant, then we can say it weighs approximately 130 grams, which was quite lightweighted version in 2013. Yes, in 2013 it was quite lightweighted version. As well as you get to see the protection out here. It provides you protection of Gorilla Glass 3. So this was considered as one of the good version and was considered as a point or a gadget which was very, you can say, advanced at that time. Yes, we can say that advanced at that time. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say it had got a plastic design framework. Yes, you get to have a plastic design framework. So this was also another popular reason out back then. Now talking about this variant, you get to have a micro SIM inbuilt in it, as well as you get to see that this variant offers you a screen size of 5 inches. Yes, 5 inch is the screen size, and you get to have a very interesting thing about this variant, that is the screen type. Yes, you get to have a display of Super Almond Capacitive touchscreen. This was the variant, this was the screen which was used out in 2018, 19, 17 out there. But if it's used out in back then in 2013, then we can say that this variant was very advanced out there. Yes, this was an advanced variant out there. So talking about this variant, we can say that this variant S4, especially if we talk about F4, S4 is a variant which has got a very good resolution of 441 ppi density. So overall, if we talk, then this was a very advanced version back then. So we can say that this was amazing versionality, providing versions were very interesting out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say S4 lagged something in today's time. In today's time, we need a better Android. But if we talk about the Android system, that was not very advanced. That was a normal Android which was used back then in 2013. A very popular one was Android 4, and that was seen out here, which was upgradable up to Android 5. Yes, it has got Android 5 inbuilt in it, which is upgradable. Definitely, Android 4 is upgradable up to Android 5. So now it might not attract the audience much, but we can see that this variant was back then very advanced, and this kind of functionality was seen in this, which works very well. Collaborating with UNESCO and octa-core processor. Yes, these two collaborate with the Android out there. So this functionality provides a very good outcome. Yes, the very good outcome, or we can say the processor out there is a very functionally, they are very vital out there. Yes, functionally they are very vital. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good storage capacity of 16 mega GB, as well as 32 and 64 GB. So if we talk about the expansion, or if we talk about the externally, we talk about the capacity, or internally we talk about its storage. Then overall, the storage capacity along with these other specifications are very good. 16, 32 and 64 GB provides a very good storage. Plus you get an expandability also, so that's why it is also one of the most advanced feature. Expandability is definitely in most of the phones, but with these specifications you are having expandability, that's the advantage of it here. Another advantage would be said as the RAM quality. It has 2 GB RAM. Yes, you get to have 2 GB RAM, which is again a very good point out there. That S4 has got very interesting RAM quality out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about S4, we cannot neglect or forget about its camera. Yes, camera plays a very vital role out here, and we cannot forget about the camera. Now, talking about the camera, we can say it has got a okay camera, but back then the rear camera was very advanced. In 2013, we have seen gadgets having on 8, 4, 5 megapixel rear camera, but this gadget offers you 13 megapixel camera. Yes, this offers you 13 megapixel camera. That's why it is said that it is a very interesting thing to have an advanced phone back then. So you can definitely try out this one. And when we talk about trying out, you can definitely not miss the selfie point out this. It has 2 megapixel selfie point. Your selfie camera could have been a more better version as compared to the rear camera. But looking back 2013, we can say where we had a VJ camera, 1.2 camera out there, or people were still struggling to have that camera. It offers you 2 megapixel camera, which was a good version, and plus you get to have dual video call purpose. So that was another advantage out here. A major disadvantage to this variant could be said that it do not go well with the audience when it comes to radio connectivity. Yes, radio connectivity was not seen out here. Apart from that, you get to have all the specifications like sensitivities, connectivities, 3.5 jack, Bluetooth, loudspeaker, everything was seen out there except the radio connectivity. When we talk about this, we cannot forget to mention about the battery life, because battery plays a very important and a vital role in any gadget. Now, talking about the battery life, we can say that the battery life of this variant is a quite better version. Yes, a very quite better version. It offers a 2600 mAh battery which lasts up to 17 hours. Yes, 17 hours talk time is given in 26 hours long battery life. So that's a wonderful feature out there. 2600 mAh battery is not bad actually, and you can definitely check out the battery out there, and you can definitely try out this variant. Now I'm thinking, now what's trying out this means? It means where you can get the pocketable and a very effective pricing for this. So let's see that website where you get to have this kind of a variant. So this is the website I'm talking about, and the website name is phonezone.ae. Yes, the website name is phonezone.ae. As well as this website offers you not just one gadget but n number of gadgets from these reputed companies. As well as this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am typing S4 out here so that we come to know about this gadget. So Samsung Galaxy S4, S4 out there, two variants are there. So this is the list of S4 series. There are both the variants. But here is a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition. And there are variants like 16 GB, I already told you, 32 GB variant out here. So let us know about this also. So first let us know about refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished. And when we say the word refurbished, it clearly means that creating newly like. Yes, the word refurbished means creating newly like. So we can say refurbished and brand new are quite similar. The only difference lies out in the pre-ownization. Yes, pre-ownization is something you would say that brand new have never been pre-owned before. Yes, when they are launched in the market, they are never been pre-owned. But when we talk about refurbished, we can say that they are pre-owned versions. Yes, they are pre-owned. You can have a pre-owned version, like you'll get to have a gadget which is used once and is absolutely newly like gadget. So this is what refurbished and brand new looks like. And when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can see that their pathway also differs. Yes, the pathway is slightly different, as a pathway includes something like base, mediator, and consumer. This is the basic pathway out there. This is how the chain goes out. And when we say about the chain, brand new has a different chain, like it goes from base to user or the consumer. The base here is the company, is the original company which launches that gadget into the market for the very first time. Suppose it's Samsung, so Samsung is the base. MI to Xiaomi is the base out there. So every company out there is the base when it launches first time its gadget. Then it comes to the mediator or the bridge, which is the marketplace. Marketplace is something where we and the company interact out. Yes, we and company interact out as a user. We interact with the company's gadget. That is the marketplace, like from where we shop out there. After that comes the consumer, which is the final step, and that is the user out there. Then it is given to us. Then we have this. The gadget is in our hand. So that is the user point out here. Now the gadget has been used. This is the brand new gadget out there. Now this user is the one which becomes the base. Yes, this user becomes the base for refurbished product. Now talking about refurbished products base, we can say the user does not want to have this phone anymore now and wants to sell it off. Then the pre-owned version brand new phone is sold off to the mediators, that is the marketplace or the sites agencies, wherever you want to. That marketplace have that brand new phone, then it has to be checked, it has to be verified, it has to be certified that it is absolutely non-damaged, it is absolutely perfect condition phone out here. But then it is not conditioned at refurb brand new. It is not said that it is brand new because it has been pre-owned, so you cannot consider it as brand new. So it is said as refurbished, like brand new, like you can say, or you can say something new, like, yes. Then what happens? Then it is tested, it is categorized as refurbished. Then it goes to the consumers. From there, the consumer have it, the user have it. So this is the new user out there. Yes, this is the new user out there. So this is what happens in the refurbished and the, we can say, brand new pathway. But there is similarity out there. The similarity lies in the testing. Testing is said to be when the company tests out the gadget, then it is released in marketplace. But for pre-owned, marketplace is the point where the tests are done. And the tests include like external and internal tests, which includes the display testing, buttons testing, internal parts, external parts, the buttons, the camera quality, audio quality, video quality out there, your data connectivity, your data wiping, data recovery, SIM recognition, battery backup, charger out there, handset if it has any other kind of a handset out there. Everything, every part which a company says or tests out there has to be checked in the gadget in a refurbished condition also. So overall, there are 29 parameters which are involved in it. And when you get to have these 29 parameters, you get to see that this gadget is now absolutely ready to use and you can use this gadget now. Now, when we talk about this gadget, we can say that this gadget offers you n number of specifications, n number of things. It's not just one, but every condition, yes. It has to be tested then. Specifications which we read out on any site, they are to be tested. Everything has to be tested. If it fails in any one condition, it is rejected out there. So this is what refurbished is all about. It gives you a quality check, it is renewed, it has good service out there, as well as quality certification is given to it. So refurbished is absolutely perfect out there. As well as when we say about this variant, we can say there are a lot of things which are actually involved in refurbished advantages. Yes, we can say there are few advantages of having a refurbished product. Like, if we first talk refurbished product, then we can say that they are quite pocketable. Yes, they are quite pocketable out here. You get to have a pocketable gadget, as well as you get to have a gadget which is quite pocketable, or you can say which is in your pockets, because brand new products are generally expensive out there. Yes, they are generally expensive out there, but when you talk about refurbished, you get to see that these are quite profitable and are quite less expensive as compared to brand new. Then if these products are quite profitable, then can you save out? Yes, you definitely save a good amount of savings. When you save a good amount of savings, then you get to have a lot of savings, as well as you get to have a lot of products for yourself. You can expand that in other things also. So there is saving purpose also. But what happens when you own a pre-owned phone? You usually don't get a warranty period out here. Yes, usually we don't get a warranty period. But if you have a condition return or refurbished, then you get 6 months warranty period also. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period also. As well as you get to have a 7 exchange policy along with it, which we can see on most of the sites. And when we talk about this, we can say that refurbished product offers a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy, which we see only if it is conditioned as refurbished. Brand new products have 1 year warranty out there. Yes, 1 year warranty is given out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant has got really amazing things in it. So let us get back to our site which offers you the same things, and let us once again check about that website. So coming back to the site, when we talk about the site, we can say that this site here offers you all the specifications which we were talking about. Yes, like we said about refurbished products, you get 6 months. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy can also be seen in this. Like if you go to the website, you get to see that this website offers a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Along with that, COD and free shipping can also be seen. Yes, you get to see free shipping and COD out there. As well as when we talk about this website, we can say that free shipping is offered for about 48 hours delivery time. Yes, like delivery time is 48 hours in most parts of UAE. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. For best pricing, visit out the website or call our helpline number. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.